Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use circle to search on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First you have to go to settings. Now scroll down and you'll find display. Tap on it, and from here you just need to go to the navigation bar here, and from here you will find circle to search. Tap on this toggle button. If you find it like this, then tap on it to turn on this feature on your device. Now circle to search, it will help you to turn up or pop up Google search by tap on your navigation bar home button. If you have swipe gesture, then you have to just tap on that swipe bar, and if you have button, then you have to tap on this home button, this circle home button. Tap on it, and here you can find the search bar has just popped up whenever I just hold on this circle button or this home button. Now that's how you can use circle to search on your S25 Ultra. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.